When it comes to building muscle, everyone seems to have a different opinion. Some say protein is the only thing that matters. Others claim that if you're not eating enough carbs, you'll never grow. So who's right? Should you focus on protein or carbs to maximize muscle gain? In this video, we'll break down the science, bust the myths, and give you a clear answer so you can stop guessing and start growing. Let's start with what actually causes muscle growth. When you work out, especially with resistance training, your muscle fibers undergo tiny tears. That's a good thing, because when your body repairs those fibers, it rebuilds them stronger and thicker than before. But that repair process doesn't happen automatically. Your body needs the right nutrients to fuel that recovery and build new muscle tissue. That's where protein and carbohydrates come in. Protein is often called the foundation of muscle growth, and for good reason. It's made up of amino acids, which your body uses to repair and rebuild damaged muscle tissue. After a tough workout, your muscles are essentially screaming for recovery, and protein is what gives them the raw material to rebuild. Without enough protein in your diet, your muscles can't fully recover, which means your progress will stall, or worse, you could start losing muscle over time. For most people looking to build muscle, daily protein needs range from 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. That ensures your body always has a steady supply of amino acids ready for recovery. And timing also matters. Getting a good dose of protein within an hour after your workout helps kickstart the repair process and supports long-term growth. Now, here's where most people get it wrong. They underestimate the role of carbohydrates. Carbs aren't just about energy, they're critical for muscle growth too. When you eat carbs, your body converts them into glycogen, which is stored in your muscles and used as fuel during exercise. If your glycogen stores are low, you'll feel tired, sluggish, and weaker during your workouts. That means less volume, less intensity, and ultimately less muscle growth. But it goes even deeper. If you don't eat enough carbs, your body might start breaking down protein, even from your muscles, to use as fuel. That's the last thing you want. So in a way, carbs help protect your gains by preserving protein for what it's really meant for, rebuilding muscle. After training, carbs also trigger an insulin response that helps shuttle nutrients, including amino acids, into your muscle cells. That speeds up recovery and sets the stage for growth. Protein versus carbs, which should you prioritize? So now the big question, if you had to choose, which one should you focus on more, protein or carbs? The real answer is neither on its own. Muscle gain is most effective when you have the right balance of both. Think of it like building a house. Protein provides the bricks, but carbs provide the workers and energy to put those bricks into place. You can't build anything without both. If you focus only on protein but ignore carbs, you may have the materials but no energy to use them. If you only eat carbs without enough protein, you'll have energy but nothing to build muscle with. So instead of choosing one over the other, think about combining both smartly throughout your day, especially around your workouts. That's the key to making real, consistent progress. If you want to build muscle effectively, you need to stop thinking in terms of either or. Protein and carbs work together to drive growth, recovery, and performance. Prioritize both in your daily meals and make sure you're eating enough of each based on your training intensity. Fuel your body properly and the results will follow. If this helped clear up some confusion, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness content, and let me know in the comments.